CNC devices are quite popular these days, and one such machine is a laser engraving and cutting machine. As you can see here, there's a huge variety available on the markets today, with certain eBay listings ranging from $150 to over $10,000. Some even come with free shipping. At a well-known local fab lab workshop called Zavod 404, I often have access to one such CNC laser device. I volunteer at this workshop where we teach children how to use CNC devices, and in particular to raise creators of technology, not only users of technology and devices. So far I've had a few projects done by using this device, and so I have gathered some limited experience. I thought I would show you just how much faster certain things become when using CNC technology. There was a problem with my bookshelf, as it had a lot of wasted space. I wanted to store my notes and certain worksheets there, but I also wanted to be neat and tidy and be a very customized solution. In a little over 5 hours from start to finish, I designed and built a simple and very customized solution to a problem I've been having. I would export my part files as DXF files and then edit them in CNC software. After a minute or so planning the cut, the machine would cut pieces on its own. Of course, a procedure must also be followed. But when everything is in order, the results are just great. What I got so far. Got the pieces laser cut and sanded and painted over with some lacquer, gluing it all together with some express glue. It's gonna be a bit wonky using a really janky technique to holster the parts together. So there's one clamp here, and then there's another clamping it to the other side. But it gives a really nice result. These granulation slots line up pretty well, and there's one right angle and another one underneath, holding the whole thing together in that part. I just put this part on to hold it together for now, to align the middle table a bit better. So here I am. The thing is glued together. I've put some weights on top so that this edge here can be as flush as possible to the surface. That's how it looks like. So it's been laser cut over there and the laser machine. It's really cool. And here's the wood. And yeah, it's gonna be my file organizer for a year or so. Really simple design, fits my bookshelf snug. I put some extra glue here because these sides, I didn't give them enough surface area for the glue. So with the extra glue at the side, I hope will hold it in piece, hold it in one place. But generally when I glued any of these granulations, I put on every inner joint a little bit of glue. So that's how it holds up. Anyways, that's almost finished. About a half an hour the glue will set, and then tomorrow it will be a pretty much solid product, but it's, you know, it's flimsy. It should work for my needs though. Okay, that's it. So here I am back home. The thing is already inside the bookshelf. It fits snugly. It's basically a perfect fit. Oh, feels good. And now I have my desk and my file organizer. Fantastic.